To enter a new client, click on the Clients button on the toolbar or select Clients from under the PrintQuote Pro menu. Then click on Create Client. Enter your company's details into the fields, and when the company name is entered, the ID code will be created for the client. The inactive checkbox, when selected, will render the client inactive and they'll not show up in any of your searches. You can, however, find them by doing a search of all records and choosing the inactive checkbox when doing the search. If you have a PO box, enter your PO box number, PO suburb, PO state and PO postcode into these fields provided. But if you do not have a PO box, then click on Copy Company Address to copy the physical address of the company into the fields. However, if you do have a PO box, you can type that into these fields. Once you've entered the PO box, you can create a labelling address. And to create a concatenated postal address, which is ideal for creating mailing labels, click on the Create Postal Address button. If there's nothing in the postal address fields, the physical address will be copied into the postal address. And you can also make modifications to this postal address if you wish. You can tag a client with an action which can be dealt with at a later stage. Clients can be searched by an action, and if you're using actions in your data, you can add, modify the action on the drop-down menu. We can add action, modify action and delete action. To add a new action, we click Add Action. And click OK. To modify the action, we first select the action and then choose Modify Action. Click OK to save your changes. To delete an action, first select it, then choose Delete Action, and you will be asked to confirm the deletion, and click Yes to delete the action. To send a campaign to the client, click on the Send Campaign to Client button. This will open a dialog box containing a list of all the campaigns stored in the Campaigns file. Select the campaign you wish to send and click on the Select button. And the campaign will then be sent to the client. You can also double click on the campaign. If this particular client has contacts, you'll be asked if you wish to send it to the contacts as well. Click Yes to send it to the contacts. The progress is noted at the bottom of the main screen, which is not visible on this video. And you'll be notified as each email goes out to each person. You can add campaigns to PrintQuote Pro by selecting Campaigns under the PrintQuote Pro menu, and campaigns can be entered here. The email accounts through which they are sent are entered on the Email SMS tab. of the preferences file. To send an SMS message, you will need to be registered with an SMS Gateway service to process the SMS messages, and we use Clickatel as they have one of the most cost-effective services. To check out Clickatel's SMS Gateway service, select PrintQuote Pro websites from under the File menu and click on the Clickatel's SMS Gateway API details link, and you'll be taken directly to the section of Clickatel explaining the SMS Gateway with a demonstration and a pricing calculator to assess the service cost. You will also need to input the connection and login details you receive when you register into the Email SMS tab of the Preferences dialog prior to sending SMS messages to your clients. And you will also need a sender email account, so you can use your email service to send the SMS request to the gateway, and this can also be entered on the Email SMS tab of the Preferences file. Also, staff mobile numbers are also entered on the Email SMS tab, and these numbers will be used for the SMS messages from mobile number when sending SMS messages from PrintQuote Pro. If you have any contacts that have the same mobile numbers, then only one will be sent per mobile number. And when the SMS Send SMS to Client button is clicked, you'll be asked if you wish to send them SMS messages to your client contacts as well. Click Yes to do so. A dialog box will open with all the mobile numbers of the primary contact and secondary contacts listed. You can then type in your message. In your message, you can also include information from the client record or the contact record. You can remove people from the list if you wish. If you remove too many and you want to reload them, you can click Reload and they'll all be loaded back in again. Choose who the SMS message is from, and you can choose the email account the request is going to be made to the SMS Gateway service. You can also enter a keyword if you wish. And add the date and time. And then click Send SMS to send your message. And you'll be asked if you wish to save a copy of each SMS message that goes out. Click Yes to do that. And the process will be noted at the bottom of the SMS dialog box. And click Done when you're finished.